Find or read reviews that people are talking about FIGEBNY wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Big surprise, new benefits. The FIGEBNY wireless HDMI sender and receiver come with a free USB Type-C to HDMI adapter/cable 4K. It will be more convenient connection and adaptation for you. Versatile wireless streaming HDMI kit with outstanding clarity. Wireless HDMI extender offer you a smooth, reliable, and freedom streaming without the need for messy cables, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or app. It easily connects PC, laptops, TV box, and other devices to our TVs, projectors, and displays, delivering high-quality visuals with zero latency on a larger screen. Enables easy and reliable wireless streaming. Fast and easy setup. Plug and play makes setup was a breeze. You just need a few seconds to enjoy a 4K HDR video and audio transmission, saving your tons of time and trouble of a traditional wired connection. Say goodbye to the hassle of HDMI cables and extension cords, making your meeting room, office, or living room clean and tidy. Portable design for versatile compatibility. Super lightweight and compact design, you can easily carry it out for travel or official business. Compatible with multiple devices, like PC, laptop, set-top, TV box, phone, only compatibility with Samsung S21, Apple 15, iPad 10th or above models. Wireless HDMI transmitter meet to your diverse needs, business conference teaching, movies, football games, family gathering, outdoor theater, and more. Note: need a Type-C cable to HDMI transmission function. Ultra-high definition, stunning visual enjoyment. Wireless HDMI sender and receiver supporting 4K decoding and 1080p/60 Hz high-definition output, delivering crystal clear visuals for exceptional visual experiences. You can enjoy the high-quality video and audio, lag-free connectivity for your entertainment needs. Reliable, stable and less latency. 2.4G/5G dual-frequency transmission technology achieve an faster, smoother and more stable transmission, enable the video and audio transmission up to 98 feet or 30 meters. Ensuring uninterrupted connectivity. Latency less than 0.1 second, almost real time. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.